What's up, guys? I'm at Best Buy, of all places. And Best Buy is now selling toolboxes. I kid you not. Electronics store is now selling toolboxes. It's not a bad toolbox, guys. It's not a bad toolbox at all. You know, I don't think it's 400 bucks, but it's pretty cool, man. And it's 41-inch toolbox, and it looks like it might be about 18 inches deep. There's the numbers. I can get the focus. So, of all places now, Best Buy is selling toolboxes, and the whole thing's about 400 bucks. So, it does have them rollback drawers, which I don't like, but it is what it is. Insignia toolbox. It kind of looks like a. It looks like a Husky box, but Husky don't build their own boxes. They get them from China, so I'm sure that's probably where this one came from, China. So something strange. Of all places. I don't see no power drawer anywhere. Let's see if this one's got a power drawer. Nope. This one, nope. So, alright guys, this is the Insignia 41-inch toolbox. You can get now at Best Buy Electronics. So, till the next time, guys, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.